Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a huge organize with me. So I tidied up like under the kitchen sink. I had to do a little organizing. I put some stuff down in the basement, and then we do a huge refrigerator organize with me. This was so needed. The fridge had just gotten completely out of hand. So this was definitely needed. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and turn on those post notifications to not miss any one of my new videos. And without further ado, let's get into today's video.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's do, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's do, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. This sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's do, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way.
And bam, finished product. I'm so glad I took the 15 minutes out of my day to do this. It looks 100 times better and I'm so happy with it. So don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.